Hey YouTube, it's Bobby with KCA Ranch and Homestead. Gonna make a very short video today on how to make homemade laundry soap and save a buttload of money. Thanks for watching. So let's talk about the ingredients. Arm & Hammer Super Washing Soda. Doesn't have to be Arm & Hammer. But not baking soda, washing soda. Found this at Walmart. Borax. Mule Team's been around forever, but I'm sure there's some generic brands. Get you a big box of borax. And then Biz. Biz is just the generic version of OxyClean, which is a odor and stain remover, kind of a laundry booster. But you can buy OxyClean, but I found the Biz to be just the same ingredients and a lot cheaper. You're going to need 1 bar, and unfortunately I've already used it, of scented soap. There's a brand called Zote, Z-O-T-E, but the wife liked the smell of this one. It's Purex, and I don't even know how to pronounce that weird word. Fels naphtha. But you're going to need 1 bar of that per recipe. So I would buy several bars of the soap because you can make several batches from these 3 ingredients in 1 bar of soap. You need a cheap shredder, or what do you call it? Grater. I just bought one to use for the soap only, so I don't have to worry about washing it very good. I think it was a couple bucks. So all you're going to do is grate the bar of soap into a big bowl, and then add 2 cups, 2 cups, 2 cups, and you get this. See the little yellow specks in there? That's the bar of soap. And then you're going to stir it with a spoon and get all the ingredients mixed. And you can just leave it like that if you want, but some of the soap pieces will be too big and they may not dissolve. So what I did is bought a cheap chopper, vegetable chopper. And then I put a couple cups in at a time and run it through the chopper. Push this down and zap it. Pour it into another container that you're going to keep the soap in. I use a big Ziploc container. And just keep going. You'll probably have to do about 6 or 8 times to get all of it through the chopper. But you're trying to get those soap pieces very small. As you can see, I've got a full 48 ounces or more of really good, strong detergent. I'm not good at math, but if you do the math, using 1 tablespoon per load, I think you're going to have enough money to buy a new Mercedes SUV or something like that. And that's really about it. You just keep going until you make your way through the entire batch, put it in your container, set it on the dryer or washing machine, and rock and roll. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and click the alert button. Thanks.